In the maze of modern vices, JUUL devices stand out for their sleek design and flavored pods. But beneath the allure lies a trap: nicotine addiction. Knowing your device is the first step to avoiding this pitfall. Nicotine has high stakes, not only for its buzz, but also for the serious health risks like heart disease and lung damage. Understanding these risks is key to promoting restraint and responsible consumption. It's crucial for adults to limit access, protecting young minds from nicotine's harm by keeping JUUL devices away. This ensures a safer future, one step at a time. Setting limits on your JUUL usage can be a game changer. It's about not letting vaping become a reflex to stress or boredom. Lower nicotine concentrations and recognizing triggers can help steer clear of addiction's grasp. If things get hard, it's important to seek help from professionals or support groups. Choosing to use a JUUL should be a cautious decision. So if you are looking for help, please give us a call at 888-301-5144 or fill out the contact form on the website, and one of our team members will be in touch with you.